Hey everyone, it's All You Cars. This is our 2010 Audi A6 C6 generation 3-litre TDI Quattro. It's an S-Line special edition, so very similar to the Le Mans spec. Finished in Phantom Black, 85,000 miles, 2 owners, 8 services I think. Very nice car. It is a facelift car. It's got your xenon lights with your LED DRLs, your 19-inch Le Mans style wheels, all in very nice condition with recent Kumo tyres. Very straight on the body. Got your rear parking sensors. Has got rear LED lights, obviously being a facelift car. Your reg number's there for any checks you may wish to carry out. Drives without fault. As I say, your tyres are all really good. Lovely, lovely car. I'll show you inside. As usual, we're starting the boot. Good sized boot on the A6. They do have split fold rear seats. They usually have a spare wheel. There you go. All nice and clean in there with no funny smells. Of course, not had a dog in there or anything, being a saloon. And inside the vehicle, you've got the black, I believe Valcona leather, but don't quote me on that. It's the black leather anyway. With Isofix, rear electric windows. Nice condition, very clean. And then we've got your heated front seats. A little bit of wear on the driver's bolster, but to be expected for this sort of mileage and age. 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, auto lights and wipers, heated electric mirrors. And again, I think you will agree, in very nice condition. Your mileage is 85,887, and I'll just start the car for you. See, there are no warnings or anything untoward. So there you have it, your lights illuminate and go out as they should. Always try and check that your EML lights illuminate if you're viewing a car elsewhere. We've had a few stories just lately of dealers blanking engine lights out. A quick way to check is make sure that they do illuminate on ignition and go out when the car's starting. We've got paddle shift, cruise control, dual climate control with your heated seats, full screen, MMI, etc. with your working navigation, your AM FM radio. I don't think we've got a DAB, no. SD card, CD and DVD, Bluetooth telephone, and all of your car setup there. Ambient lighting as well. Auto dipping mirrors. A couple of cup holders in the A6s. And your media in there. And that is about that. Overall, a very nice example. Best shape, in my opinion. They drive the best, they're the most reliable. I really am a fan of the C6. Get involved, give us a call, 01509 267 111, that's our phone number. Finance can potentially be arranged, again, due to the age we are limited on lenders, but we'll see what we can do if you do require finance. Thanks for watching.